In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use deep research in ChatGPT. Deep research is a specialized mode inside ChatGPT built for longer, source-backed investigations rather than quick, casual answers. Instead of giving you a short summary, it searches across many reputable sources, synthesizes what it finds, and produces a structured report with clear citations. Think of it as your assistant for projects that need evidence, breadth, and depth. It's ideal for market research, academic topics, product comparisons, legal or policy overviews, technical deep dives, and any multi-step question where you need to show your work. If you only need a quick fact or a definition, regular chat is faster and more lightweight. To get started, open ChatGPT. On the left sidebar, click More, then select Deep Research. This switches you into the research-focused workspace. In the main input box, describe the report you want. Be as specific and practical as you can. State your goal, who the report is for, and what decisions it should help you make. If it's market research, mention the region, time frame, target audience, and competitors you care about. For academic or technical topics, include key terms, scope boundaries, and the depth you need, introductory overview, literature review, or implementation level detail. For legal or policy overviews, note the jurisdiction, relevant dates or versions, and whether you want summaries, comparisons, or historical context. If you have preferences about sources, such as peer-reviewed papers, government publications, or recognized industry reports, say so. You can also suggest a structure, like an executive summary, key findings, methodology, analysis, and references, so the output lands in a format you can use immediately. Once your description is ready, submit it and wait while deep research does the heavy lifting. Behind the scenes, it searches broadly, cross-checks information, and assembles a coherent narrative supported by citations. This can take longer than a normal chat response, so give it a moment to complete. When it finishes, you'll receive a structured report with sections that mirror your request, along with inline citations or a references list you can review. Expect an executive-level summary up front, clear reasoning throughout, and links or citations that let you verify claims and explore further if needed. Use this output as a foundation for your work, confident that it was built from multiple sources rather than a single snippet. That's all there is to it. Click More, choose Deep Research, describe the report you want, and let ChatGPT produce a thorough, well-cited deliverable. For quick facts, stick with normal chat. For anything that needs rigor and references, Deep Research is the way to go.